Welcome to Software to See by Festo. In this video you will get an introduction to diagnostic options of the CMSH positioner and to the NAMMOR diagnostic state. NAMMOR recommendation, N.E. 107 provides a classification of the condition of field devices into four categories: failure, function check, maintenance request, and out of specification. The aim of this categorization is that the system operator is not flooded with data about technical details, and of course a standardization across manufacturers. There are standardized symbols for these categories. The lowest symbol is displayed when diagnosis is active and none of the aforementioned conditions has been detected. In our setup, the positioner is connected to a computer via a HART modem. On the computer, an FDT framework application is installed and the device description of the CMSH has already been loaded. After the connection is established, the dashboard is displayed. Here you can see at a glance that this positioner is running error-free. The aggregated device status is good, represented by a green symbol with a tick. Under the topic Diagnostics, various diagnostic functions for actuator, valve or controller can be configured and assigned to suitable categories. Under the menu item activation, individual functions can be activated or deactivated. If a function is activated, this means that an interaction is triggered when a defined condition is reached. The key to this is the NAMMOR diagnosis status. Let's look specifically at pressure monitoring, a function for monitoring the lower and upper limits of the supply pressure. We activate pressure monitoring function and define the limit values. We set the lower limit to 3.5 bars in order to have enough pressure to operate the valve. If the pressure falls below the limit, we want it to be displayed as maintenance required. The upper limit should be 7 bars in this example. Above that, we leave the specified range. When the Apply button is pressed, the settings are transferred to the positioner and are effective immediately. The aggregated device status is shown on the positioner's display too. Furthermore, the event that a specific NAMMOR status has been reached can also be signalized via a digital output for further processing, for example to a control system. When configuring a digital output, diagnostic state is selected as the function for this and, in addition, the diagnostic status that the feedback should respond to. Here again with our familiar four categories: maintenance required, out of specification, function check and failure. So far the basics on diagnostics and condition monitoring of the Positioner CMSH. If you like the videos, please subscribe to our channel and keep yourself informed. See you next time.